This week I am turning 24 weeks and I feel like I have a lot of changes to talk about, and they're kind of subtle changes, but you know how when you start getting bigger it's like you can't quite sit up on your own, like if Joel and I are sitting in bed every night watching TV, eating snacks, I can't, and I have to get up and, you know, go get a different snack or or go to the bathroom or something. When I sit up, it's like, I'm like, okay, will you please push me up? Or will you help me get out of bed? Because it's hard to sit up on my own now. And this week I went and bought some new sandals, and I told the lady, I feel like I'm buying mom sandals. And the reason I say mom sandals is because there's a reason that moms dress different than teenagers. Our bodies need different things. I cannot wear plastic flip-flops anymore. I mean, I can. Literally, my son is outside. I told him, I said, turn the hose off because when I'm inside recording it's too loud. You can hear it going on and off. I've gone out there twice already to have him turn it off, and he doesn't quite register in his mind that I hear it. So he thinks like, okay, I'll turn it off, and then when mom goes inside I'm gonna turn it back on. No, he is such a turkey. He is out there using the hose. So if you hear the hose going on and off, let's just ignore it, okay? Let's just let him play with the hose. Okay. Where was I? I can wear the plastic flip-flops, but as like an everyday thing, I need something that's going to support my feet a little bit better than just those cheapo sandals. And so I went and bought some, oh, what are they called? Birkenstock? Is that how you say it? Birkenstock? I know it's German because she mentioned my last name, Hoellein, as being German. I'm pretty sure they're called Birkenstocks, and I needed a sandal that was going to support my arches a little bit better, and they're cute, but they're not what I would probably normally buy on a regular basis. But I feel like I need something a little bit more supportive, and they're cute, they're fine, they're cute. But it is, I was telling the lady, it is there's a difference in the way you need to be dressing as you get a little bit older. I'm all for dressing young and stuff, but when you have babies, when you have your body, I don't know, it just changes and you need different things. And for me, I feel like I'm a mom of 4. I should probably dress like a mom of 4. And I don't know, it's a hard transition. It's a hard transition to go from the junior section to the women's section. It's like, there needs to be an in-between stage, you know? They need to have an in-between section, because I don't feel like I'm all the way in the women's section sometimes with some things, and I'm definitely not in the teen section anymore, so it is a hard transition. And so switching to these Birkenstock shoes is definitely more comfortable, which I like, but I don't know. It's a change, and it's something that I just need to get used to. And I know that there are plenty of people out there in that same situation. I call my older sister, because the nicer the clothes you get, because I feel like I need a more firm shaped clothing, and most of the time those are a little more expensive. I can't just throw on a cotton tee and have it look nice on me. So my older sister, Ruby, we kind of go through that a little bit. She has 6 kids, and so she knows all about what I'm talking about. And so I call her, I'm like, I bought $100 pair of sandals today. She just laughs because she knows exactly how I feel. And my mom, it's like, okay, Mom, what kind of pants you wearing these days? I don't know. It's a funny change, but we'll get through it. The baby right now is about the size of a cantaloupe, and I definitely feel like I have been growing. My stomach is big. This week though, I think I've gone through 3 watermelons, which is awesome. Last night I snacked on a bunch of watermelon, and that fills me up a lot, which is, that is such a good thing to fill up on, watermelon versus like chips and soda or something. And so I'm really happy that it's warming up outside, kind of. It's warming up, and so I want to be having all the time. I want to have watermelon cut up, and I've really been enjoying cucumbers and carrots cut up, and either in vinegar or dipping them in ranch. I'm okay dipping them in the ranch, that's fine with me. As long as the main bulk of it is the vegetable, you know. But that has been tasting really good to me this week. And something that is not changing from week to week is what I'm wearing. I live in this dress and the white and coral striped dress that's the exact same as this one. They are the most comfortable things I've ever worn. I love it because there's nothing that has to go underneath them. These are the ones I got from Target. If you didn't see my maternity haul, I'll put the link down below for you. And I did talk about them in that video. I wear these every day, and I don't even care if that's all I wear because I'm comfortable and it's one thing I have to put on. It's not like pants and a top or whatever. There's nothing cutting me off. I love these dresses, and it's a good thing Ellie showed them to me because she's the one that found them. Oh, the last thing I wanted to talk about was I went to the dentist today. Every pregnancy that I've had, they've ended in root canals, and my teeth, I have dental issues all the time on a regular basis, but when I'm pregnant, it just goes into hyperactive mode. I get lots of cavities, and I have root canals that need to be filled so far with every pregnancy. And today I went in and he was like, okay, you've got a cavity that's underneath a filling and it's really close to your roots. He's like, if we don't get it taken care of now, it will end in a root canal. That is all I have for this update. I'm pretty sure my son is soaked with the hose, so I'm gonna go check on him, and I think our plan is to go get Aggie ice cream today. So I will leave you with that, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Seriously, I floss and I brush twice a day. Well, I floss once a day, I brush twice a day, I use mouthwash every couple of days in the evenings. And the last time I went to the dentist, he told me I had gingivitis. Gingivitis! I couldn't believe it. It's cleared up now. I worked really hard at it.